guys, welcome back to Loving Living Local. I'm Susan Curtin and I'm with Parker Perot, and we're here at Southern Air. We're going to be talking about plumbing, and you may recall that this man knows a thing or two about plumbing. You've been with Southern Air since 2021, but before that you were an owner as well.
That's right.
Yeah.
For 20 years.
So now you're regional manager, and so we're going to be talking about water filtration systems. There are a lot of impurities in our water. In Shreveport, I think I just got a letter saying that maybe it didn't pass muster. Yeah. Let's talk about that.
Okay, so there's a difference in water filtration and water treatment. For the safety of the water, there's a bacteria test that only the state labs can do. But in general, unless you're under boil or what comes from the city or your municipal water supply is safe, unless they say otherwise.
Right. So. Now, why is it important to have water treatment in place?
Water has different characteristics depending on the source and the conduit that carries it. So metallic pipes leach the metal elements into the water. So the older parts of Shreveport have a harder water, and then the other parts of town with PVC piping. They don't have, and sometimes it's residual from what they use to treat the water to bring the pH up or down.
So what options do people have for filtration systems?
So this is one of our go-to devices here. It's an electronic descaler. What it does is it scrambles the molecules so they don't stick they want to stick to anything metal. They're searching for another ion to stick to, and this scrambles it. And you'll know you need one of these if you have a white crust around shower heads, faucets,
okay.
Maybe a white ring in the toilet bowl. That's residual calcium, magnesium,
I gotcha.
The hard minerals.
And so what is it taking out of the water?
So this doesn't remove anything. What this does is scramble it so that it doesn't stick. So they used to call it a chemical-free softening. It's not a softener, but because it doesn't remove the water, it just makes it where it doesn't stick to anything.
I guess you're going to have to come to my house next. So
I'll be glad to do it. Yeah.
Why shouldn't I use Drano or some kind of over-the-counter cleaner to unclog my drain?
So the drains, they're acidic. There's two different things. So the water treatment is on the supply side, what we call potable water. So that's what we bathe in, cook with, drink. The Drano is going to be on the drain side. So once you're done with the water, then it goes away. And if it's not going away, then people want to use a drain acid, and they're acidic, and they'll etch out the porcelain finish on your fixtures. And if you have old cast iron piping, we've seen it melt PVC piping because that's how it works. Is it generates heat with the acid when it mixes with the water or the organics that are causing the stoppage. So
gotcha.
They have their place, but best thing to do is call a plumber and we can handle it.
That's it, call a plumber. Well, listen, you can't get better plumbers than this. They've got locations in 5 states, so you know that there are some best practices going on from top to bottom, right?
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah.
Well, right here at Southern Air, if you have plumbing issues or if you're looking for a filtration system, so you need to call. We'll be right back.